Hi everybody, welcome on our Sony Xperia YouTube channel. I just make some AnTuTu comparison with Sony Xperia Z1 Compact, Sony Xperia Z3 Compact and Sony Xperia Z5 Compact in Czech language, but for you I will make it once more because I want to slightly talk about these three phones, because for now we have here complete Sony Xperia Z Compact line, so we can compare these three smartphones and we can see that the performance is growing with every new device. The difference between Sony Xperia Z1 Compact and Sony Xperia Z3 Compact, it's not so big, but Xperia Z5 Compact is 1 year newer, so the growth of the performance is much bigger form. Now there is octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 810, and when we compare it to quad-core in Xperia Z3 Compact and Xperia Z1 Compact, then the difference is really big. All three smartphones use HD display, and on this size of the display I think that this resolution is perfect, but probably next year the new Xperia Z Compact will get full HD display, because if there will be 4 Xperia Z Compact smartphone with same resolution, I think that this will not be good for Sony Mobile marketing and Sony Mobile business. So probably Xperia Z5 Compact is latest compact smartphone from Sony Mobile company which use this HD display. I will also compare the quality of the display, and I will also talk about functions of this free smartphone, but it will be in another video. So for now we can really compare the performance of this free smartphone. All smartphones have enough operating memory, 2 GB for this display resolution are enough, and all these free smartphones are running official Android 5.11 Lollipop, so the support from manufacturer is really good. It's question if Sony Xperia Z1 Compact, the oldest smartphone from this three, will get official update to Android 6 Marshmallow. Sony Xperia Z5 Compact will get it, it's 100 sure. Sony Xperia Z3 Compact, it can be also a question, but I think that update for this smartphone is sure too. But Xperia Z1 Compact, maybe not, because it's not about hardware. The hardware is still very good and we have no problem with it, but through the marketing and through the business for customers with Xperia Z1 Compact, if they receive official Android 6 Marshmallow, then they really don't need update their smartphone to a newest one. So it's better for customer, but not so good for Sony Mobile company. So we will see in next weeks what Sony Mobile company release for us. So now the test will be slightly at the end. So you can see the graphic is very fluently on each of these three devices. I think that if we talk about performance, that is no device from Xperia Compact line which have problem with this. So there will be the very last part of the test. So Xperia Z5 Compact, about 63,000 points, perfect result from this smartphone. Sony Xperia Z3 Compact have about 47,000 points, also very good performance. It's 1 year old smartphone. And Xperia Z1 Compact, more than 42,000 points. So as I said on the start, all these three smartphones have very good performance, and all these three smartphones are still one of the best smartphones on the market. So thanks for watching this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like our videos, and have a nice day. Bye!